Hello React.js developers. Today we are going to create a new project using useEffect, useRef and useState hook. So this is our project StopWatch timer. We can start our timer with milliseconds, second and minute. And we can stop and we can reset. So this is our stopwatch by using React.js hooks. So let's create this project. So friends, now we are in VS Code and let's create a folder for our project. Otherwise we can also create by itself. So let's create through this. We are in terminal and write npm create white and our project name is stopwatch और framework हमारा क्या होगा react और variant होगा javascript npm install node package manager install and start. After 1 minute later, so stopwatch is created and here this is our structure of this project. So we can run this as a counter application, this one. Now remove some files, remove this, and if you want to remove css you can remove. So we are removing this style, this man index.css, remove this, and let's manage remove this from man.jsx. And is there any file that is not useful? Yes, this folder, remove these assets and remove them from, okay, okay, clear this app.jsx. So start writing our program, and in this project we are going to use three hooks that are first use state hook, use effect hook and use ref hook. तो इनके यूजेस हम क्या क्या करने वाले हैं इसमें, इस प्रोजेक्ट में हम यूज स्टेट का यूज करेंगे टाइम एंड रनिंग स्टेट को स्टोर करने के लिए, और यूज इफेक्ट का यूज करेंगे स्टार्ट और स्टॉप टाइमर के लिए, और यूज रेफ का यूज करेंगे स्टोर इंटरवल आईडी बिटवीन रेंडर्स. So let's do this. So here create a function that's name is app, go inside this, and we can also use this return, and before this return we write here create const time and set time, initialize this use state hook, use state with 0 semicolon, and const is running comma set is running is equal to use state initialize as false semicolon, and after that use as use ref hook const interval ref equal to use ref as null semicolon and create timer. So use effect hook arrow function, go inside this, if is running, go inside this, and interval ref dot current is equal to set interval arrow function, go inside this and set time as previous time arrow function to reverse to return previous time plus 10 to use 10 millisecond, and here we use 10 millisecond to update this, then use else statement here clear interval and interval ref dot current semicolon and return arrow function clear interval and interval ref is current and use semicolon, use comma is running semicolon, then const start is equal to arrow function to set is running is true. const stop is equal to set is running is false semicolon. Const reset equal to arrow function and set is running as false and set time as 0 and use semicolon and now format time. तो इसमें अब हम नेक्स्ट क्या करने वाले हैं, नेक्स्ट हम फॉर्मेट करेंगे टाइम को टू कन्वर्ट इनटू रियल फॉर्मेट. const format time equal to arrow function and here const minutes equal to math dot floor time divided by 6000, sorry not 6000, 60,000 for convert into minutes and const for seconds equal to math dot floor and time percent 60,000 and divided by 1000 and add parenthesis to add this and now into milliseconds equal to math dot floor time percent 1000 divided by 10 semicolon and return as string minutes dot pad start 2 comma 0 and after that use colon string seconds dot pad start 2 comma 0 colon this one for milliseconds. So create string milliseconds dot pad start from 2 comma 0 and close this. And inside this return statement we create our HTML type div. So create JSX div container go inside this container and create stopwatch div again go inside this div create s1 tag inside this s1 we write react stopwatch then s2 tag to return our format time and class is button inside this button we create on click function to start when we click on it and this one for stop create one more button. So let's copy this one for stop and here we use stop and here reset this one for reset. We complete this and export default as f. Fine. तो स्टार्ट करेंगे तो सेट हो जाएगा रनिंग के लिए ट्रू हो जाएगा दैन सेट इज रनिंग हमारा फॉल्स हो जाएगा जब स्टॉप करेंगे और रीसेट हो जाएगा टाइम हमारा 0 अगर रीसेट प्रेस करेंगे. दैट्स नाइस. So let's check our outcome at browser. Is there anything available? I think no. No problem. Let's manage them right this way. Is everything visible? Yes. Now let's write our CSS program. Why nothing is visible? Add import app.css. semicolon. Okay, let's write app.css for all, margin 0, padding 0, box sizing, border box, and font family sans serif. And why our front end is not visible? Arial sans serif. Background. Let's refresh and let's check. Oh, one hook is not available, that is useRef. Import useEffect, useRef, useState from React app.css and app time set is running, useRef, useEffect is running, interval ref, null. Yes, this is the issue. That's why our time is not visible. Format time removed. Yes, React stopwatch is visible and this is working perfectly. Now we can stop and we can reset. Let's provide our style. Go inside this body tag and let's take background linear gradient 135 degree, comma 0 f1 172 2 a as 1e 3 a 8a dot container. Go inside this and height is 100 ph and display flags. Justify content center and align item is also center. Center. So this will be aligned at the center. Now move to stopwatch div. Go inside this div and let's take its width is 420 pixel and padding is 40 pixel and text align at the center and background is RGBA 255 255 255 and 0.12 and backdrop filter is blur 12 pixel and border radius is 15 pixel for this and color is white of our text and box shadow is 0 0 20 pixel and RGBA 0 0 0 0.4. So this is shadow. And now stopwatch H1 and margin bottom is 20 pixel. Stopwatch H2 font size is 55 pixel and margin bottom is 30 pixel and color is this is our color and letter spacing is 3 pixel. It is provided. Now move to buttons button, and margin is 10 pixel between them, and let's take their padding 12 pixel, 24 pixel, and border, sorry, only border. So this is none, and border radius is 18 or maybe 8 pixel, and font size is 18 pixel, and cursor is pointer. Note buttons, button, and its child one, and background is green, and color is white. Dot buttons, button, and its child two, and its color is different. तो यहाँ पे हम ले लेंगे क्रिम्सन, क्योंकि हमने पिछले वाले में लिया था। और इसके टेक्स्ट का कलर भी हम ले लेंगे वाइट, या तो हम ऐसा कर सकते थे, इसके थ्रू भी ले सकते थे डायरेक्टली, नो प्रॉब्लम विद दैट। buttons button and its child two, background gray, and color white। ग्रेट। यहाँ पे हमने टू ही ले लिया, टू की जगह पे थ्री लेंगे, तो अब ये चेंज हो जाएंगे। यस। और अगर आप चाहें तो इन बटन्स को होवर भी प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं, तो होवर भी ले लेते हैं, क्या जाता है हमारा। बटन्स बटन, और इसका होवर लेंगे, कलर ओपेसिटी चेंज कर लेते हैं कलर की जगह, तो भी भद्दा हो जाएगा थोड़ा, तो ही होवर हमारा प्रोवाइड हो जाएगा। तो ये रहा हमारा होवर। ओके। या तो हम इसको ट्रांसफॉर्म भी करा सकते हैं, स्केल 1.2 कर सकते हैं, कुछ इस तरह से ऐसा भी रख सकते हैं, सही है। तो स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारा टाइमर, तो कुछ इस तरह से हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, टाइमर को स्टॉप कर सकते हैं और रीसेट भी कर सकते हैं। तो ये रही हमारी स्टॉप टाइमर की वर्किंग। तो कुछ इस तरह से हम यूज इफेक्ट, यूज रैप एंड यूज स्टेट हुक का यूज करके क्रिएट कर सकते हैं इस तरह का स्टॉप वॉच एप्लीकेशन। तो ये रहा हमारा प्रोग्राम। ओके, इज विजिबल टू एवरीवन? यस, आई थिंक। So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if this video is helpful for you.